Hi, this is Mark with Accent Gold Solutions. Today the video is going to cover questions to ask when you're comparing Salesforce and Microsoft CRM. At Accent Gold Solutions, we are experts on CRM. That's all we do. That's all we've done for the last 20 years. We've been certified in CRM products such as SAP, Microsoft CRM, SalesLogix, Sage Act, Sugar CRM, and we're constantly evaluating who we're going to support, who we're not going to support, what products we're going to be taking on and working with. One of the big services that we offer is that we're specialists in comparing systems. When our clients come to us and say, listen, we've got this environment, these requirements, this need, this hardware, this is our business process, can you help us figure out what's the best CRM for us? That's really what we do, is help you figure that out. And it may not be the same every time. It's going to probably be different for every different customer, every different environment. And our goal then is to help you figure out how you can have the most optimized CRM user adoption. What that means is you want to be detailed enough so that your business processes are emulated, but you want to be simple enough so that your users will like it, love it, and want to use it and find value in it. Today we're going to be talking about a few questions here. In terms of long-term success and viability, you want to probably ask the question, hey, is Salesforce.com committed to my long-term success? How have you structured for this and where do you invest? That's a question to also ask of Microsoft. What happens when outages occur, when there's downtime? Do you provide a service level agreement for availability and performance, or am I stuck? Do you guarantee me uptime? What if I want to move to an on-premise CRM in the future? Is that possible? I think right now with Salesforce that's not an option. With Microsoft you do have that as an option to be able to go on-premise or in the cloud. Data. Who owns my data and how do I get it out if I need it? Is it just an export button? How do I get my data, and can I get my data out even if I'm on one of the free version or cheapo versions, the group version, or do I need to move up to a more expensive version to even get my data out? Where's my data hosted? Who owns my data? What data center is it in? And then does my data reside on a separate private database or one that is shared? So this is the idea of single versus multi-tenant. Microsoft builds their databases in separate virtual environments. So you can upgrade when you want to upgrade to the next level, or if you're happy with where you're at and you don't want to take a risk, you don't have to. With Salesforce, everybody has to upgrade at the same time because all clients have all their databases on one big old mainframe CRM environment. It's all one big database, and therefore because of that you're forced to upgrade all at the same time. Other questions to ask: how much does it cost me to add mobile users, for instance? How much does it cost me for additional reports? How much does it cost me to do an export or to back up my data? How about if I want to have 101 custom fields? Am I limited? Well, on the Pro version you only get 100 custom fields. What if I want to send out 251 emails per day? Well, you're limited on the Pro version of Salesforce to 250. So there's limits like that that are built in. You need to be aware of these other costs that are coming your way with Salesforce. With Microsoft it's just simple. You're paying your $44 per user per month, and you have more functionality than you're going to get with Salesforce Enterprise, which is their $125 version. What about pricing? Will pricing go up at any time? I need to be aware of that. What about discounts? Are they going to carry over? Or if you're giving me a discount, does that just count for year 1 or year 2, or is that going to count in the long run? What about the product? How do I achieve a complete customer view? My customer data also exists in my ERP. How do I see all the data at one time? Security. How do you provide security, additional security? What about workflow? Oh, workflow doesn't exist, or does it exist in the various editions? That's really important. What if I want to add data from other modules, credit checks, cross-selling based on external data? Can I do that? Those are important questions to ask. At Accent Gold, our goal is to help you figure out what's the best CRM for you. Our goal is to help you figure out a way to implement it so that your users love it and want to use it. So if you need help in any of these areas, comparing CRMs or getting user adoption, please contact us. We'd love to serve you.